Hello and welcome. Today we are discussing an important topic in UK employment law: disability rights in the workplace. Millions of people across the United Kingdom live and work with disabilities or long-term health conditions. UK law provides clear legal protections to ensure that disabled employees and job applicants are treated fairly and supported properly. The main legislation covering this area is the Equality Act 2010, supported by guidance from gov.uk/gov.uk/ACAS, the Advisory, Conciliation and Arbitration Service. This legislation makes it unlawful for employers to discriminate against someone because of a disability and places legal duties on employers to create inclusive and accessible workplaces. Let us begin with the legal definition of disability. What counts as a disability under UK law? Under the Equality Act 2010, a disability is defined as a physical or mental impairment that has a substantial and long-term negative effect on a person's ability to carry out normal day-to-day activities. The effect must be more than minor or trivial and must last, or be expected to last, at least 12 months. Many conditions can qualify as disabilities under UK law, including mobility impairments, visual or hearing loss, chronic illnesses, neurological conditions, and long-term mental health conditions. Some conditions, such as cancer, HIV, and multiple sclerosis, are automatically treated as disabilities from the time of diagnosis. Protection from disability discrimination. The Equality Act 2010 protects employees and job applicants from disability discrimination during every stage of employment. This includes recruitment, job interviews, pay, promotions, training opportunities, working conditions, dismissal, and redundancy decisions. There are several types of unlawful discrimination. Direct discrimination occurs when someone is treated less favorably because of their disability. Indirect discrimination happens when workplace policies or rules place disabled employees at a disadvantage. Employees are also protected from harassment related to disability, such as offensive remarks or inappropriate behavior. Victimization is also unlawful. This situation occurs when someone is treated unfairly because they raised concerns about discrimination or supported another person's complaint. Reasonable adjustments in the workplace. One of the most important legal duties placed on employers is the requirement to make reasonable adjustments. Employers must take reasonable steps to remove barriers that make work difficult for disabled employees. Reasonable adjustments may include flexible working hours, modified duties or responsibilities, specialist equipment or assistive technology, changes to the physical workplace, remote or hybrid working arrangements. What is considered reasonable will depend on factors such as the size of the organization, the practicality of the adjustment, and available resources. Government schemes such as Access to Work may help employers fund workplace adjustments, which can include modifications to the work environment, specialized equipment, or support services tailored to the needs of employees with disabilities. If problems occur. If an employee believes they have experienced disability discrimination, they should first raise the issue with their employer or through the company grievance procedure. Employees can also seek free and confidential advice from ACAS. ACAS may offer early conciliation, which helps resolve workplace disputes without the need for legal action. If the issue cannot be resolved, employees may bring a claim to an employment tribunal. In most cases, discrimination claims must be made within 3 months minus 1 day of the incident. Conclusion. Disability protections are a fundamental part of UK workplace rights. The Equality Act 2010 ensures that disabled employees are protected from discrimination and have the right to reasonable adjustments that allow them to work safely and fairly. Understanding these rights helps both employees and employers build workplaces that are inclusive, supportive, and legally compliant. For further guidance, official information is available from gov.uk and ACAS. Please leave a comment at the bottom of this video if you are having any similar issues. I will try and point you in the right direction.